Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I am going to be making this banana deep conditioner. I will be using 6 ripened bananas. As you can see, they're very ripe, and I will be cutting them with my fingers. Well, I'll be peeling them off, then cutting them with my fingers and placing them in the blender. So I'm going to be using raw honey, which is great for moisture. Next, I will be using olive oil, which cures and prevents hair loss. Vitamin E, which promotes hair growth, treats split ends, and removes dandruff from scalp. Next, this is the African Herbal Hot Oil, which is great for moisture and overall great for hair and skin. The coconut oil, which smoothens and softens hair, heals damaged dry hair. And finally, Do Grow hair oil, which promotes hair growth, moisturizes hair, plus it smells really good. Now we are going to blend these ingredients all together, and we are going to be making a very nice smooth paste. This is going to be my deep conditioner. After everything has been blended all together, I am going to be placing or pouring the mixture into this plastic tin, and let me show you guys how this looks like. It looks so nice and creamy. I will be placing this in the refrigerator till it's ready to be used.